This is a 2018 Nissan Titan non-XD model. We'll look to change or replace rather, a lot of the brake fluid in it. It's not going to completely bleed the system, but when you're by yourself, especially, or you don't have a mighty vac or some other type of vac system, this makes it possible to where you can change the bulk of your fluid without having to get underneath it and probably remove some of the wheels to bleed the system out. So what I have here, same thing I had in the power steering video, is it's like a dental syringe, short length of hose. You can adjust it if you need to, and if I have to adjust it for this, and I'm going to, because I have probably about 18 inches of this stuff left. I used this previously on another brake bleeding job for RAV4, and I've just had it around since then, repurposing it. So yeah, so these are just two things. I just fit this over the end of it, or the nipple there, and looking to bleed the system out now. I'm going to use Valvoline .3 and 4 brake fluid, synthetic. I'm going to provide a link in the description for this, as well as the syringe, and I'll try to do the hose too, no promises there. Also too, when you're messing with brake fluid, you want to have brake cleaner. Okay, brake fluid is highly corrosive. It's also extremely highly hygroscopic. So what does that mean? It means that it will absorb a lot of water. It loves to absorb water. Brake cleaner, you want to have that laying around, because if you spill this stuff, you want to spray the area that you dripped this stuff in or at. And you want to have a shop towel to catch any potential drips. Also with brake fluid, unless you have more than one car that you're doing at a time, absorbed water sitting on the shelf in your garage or shop until the next time you're ready to use it. Like I say, if you got more than one car you're about to do, then buy the bigger bottle, probably. Now, will you get it all doing it through the calipers? Absolutely, you will. If you bleed it enough. But you can botch that up a lot more than this. If your brake system's already good and your brakes have been tight, and you don't have the time or the help or the right tools like a mighty vac, this is a much cheaper and quicker alternative. I'm trying to get in there for that last little bit. Yeah. And that still ain't all of it, but that's pretty good. Not as good as it would get. So this is the 12-ounce size. I'm gonna need another one of these for this. I'm gonna go ahead and call it a video though, because it's just literally me putting another one of these in the video, in the reservoir during the video. I'm sure you all don't need to watch that part. Okay, so if you would please consider subscribing and sharing the video, and thank you for your time.